Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Toro Timecutter Ss4235 is probably one of the most sought-after zero-turn mowers for homeowners looking to tackle large yards with efficiency and ease, offering a blend of robust performance and user-friendly features that make lawn maintenance less of a chore and more of a satisfying task, ensuring a beautifully manicured lawn with every use. Number 5. UDC Parts 119-8819 Deck Belt. Ensure your mower runs smoothly with this high-quality deck belt. It's designed for durability and a perfect fit. This belt is specifically engineered to replace OEM parts on your Toro Timecutter 42-inch models. Keep your mower performing at its best. It's also a perfect fit for Exmark Quest zero-turn mowers with 42-inch decks. Experience consistent cutting performance. Constructed with strong aramid cord, this belt is built to withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting service. With dimensions of 0.5 inches wide and 113.1 inches long, it offers a precise fit for straightforward installation. This belt directly replaces Toro part numbers 119, 8819 and 147, 2924, and Exmark part number 119-8819, SL. What we like. This deck belt is built with durable aramid cord for long-lasting performance. It offers extensive compatibility with a wide range of Toro and Exmark models. If you're looking for a reliable replacement belt that fits many different mowers, this is a solid choice. What people say. Fit perfect and looks to be well built. Perfect fit for my 1999 DYT 4000. Installed in less than 5 minutes. So far it's held up to 5 mowings on my 1.25-acre property. This belt fit perfectly. Works great. Number 4. NCIHEFLAG 1329420 Idler Pulley. Introducing the NCIHEFLAG 1329420 Idler Pulley, a direct replacement for Toro part numbers 1329420 and 106-2175. Ensure smooth operation of your Toro Timecutter and other compatible models. Crafted with durable materials, this pulley is built to last. It features a 4.12-inch outer diameter, 0.38-inch inner diameter, and a height of 1.38 inches for a perfect fit. This idler pulley comes complete with a hardware kit, including a 3/8-16 flanged nylon lock nut, a 920 washer, and a 3/8-16x1-34 hex bolt. Designed to fit a wide range of Toro Timecutter models like the SS5000, Z4200, and SS4225, as well as many other Toro and Exmark mowers. Restore your mower's optimal performance with this essential component. It's also compatible with various Lawn Boy Precision models, offering versatility. The direct replacement design ensures a straightforward installation process. Get your mower back to work quickly and efficiently with this reliable part. What we like. This idler pulley is designed as a direct replacement for several Toro part numbers, ensuring a precision fit. It often comes with necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. If you need to replace a worn-out idler pulley on your Toro Timecutter and want a part that's known to fit, this is the one to consider. What people say. The fit was spot on, matched the OEM part exactly in size, spacing, and bolt hole diameter. The bearing is smooth and quiet, and after 3 full mowings, there's no noise or wobble. The tension on the belt is back to where it should be, and the cut is more consistent now that the deck's running smooth again. Direct fit for my 2002 Troy-built Bronco 42 deck riding mower. Strong quality pulleys and all hardware included. This replaced a worn-out transmission drive idler on a 10-year-old Cub Cadet RZT 54, and with a new drive belt got the machine mowing again. It fit as expected, and functions as expected. By appearance it looks like it will be as durable as the original. Number 3. NCIHEFLAG Idler Pulley replaces Toro 1329420. Introducing a high-quality idler pulley designed for durability and performance. This part ensures your equipment runs smoothly. This pulley is a direct replacement for Toro part numbers 1329420 and 106-2175. It's engineered for a perfect fit. It's compatible with a wide range of Toro Timecutter and Z Master models, as well as Lawn Boy mowers. Check the fitment list for details. With specific dimensions of 0.38 ID, 4.12 OD, and 1.38 height, it meets exact specifications for optimal function. This package includes a hardware kit with a flanged nylon lock nut, washer, and hex bolt for easy installation. Experience reliable performance with this essential component. It's built to withstand demanding use. What we like. Get double the value with this 2-pack of idler pulleys, offering a direct replacement for common Toro part numbers. They are designed for a precise fit and often include the necessary hardware for installation. If you're performing maintenance on multiple mowers or want a spare on hand, this value pack is an excellent option. What people say. The Toro Timecutter Ss4235 parts are a perfect fit for my mower. Easy to install and they work great. High-quality parts that have made my mower run like new again. Number 2. Parts Camp Deck Spindle Assembly for Toro Exmark Timecutter. Ensure your mower is running smoothly with this durable deck spindle assembly. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This part is a direct replacement for several OEM numbers, including Exmark 117, 7268, 117, 7439, and Toro 117, 0751, 117, 7267, among others. It is compatible with popular Toro Timecutter models such as the SS5000, SS4200, 4235, 4260, and 5060, as well as Exmark Quest zero-turn mowers. This assembly also replaces rotary 14311 and Stens 285 to 923, offering a versatile solution for your mower maintenance needs. With a height of 512 inches and an outer diameter of 614 inches, it ensures a precise fit for your specific application. Keep your lawn looking its best by replacing a worn-out spindle. This part will help restore your mower's cutting deck to its former glory. What we like. This deck spindle assembly is a complete unit designed to replace multiple OEM part numbers from both Toro and Exmark. It's built for durability to handle demanding mowing conditions. If you're tackling a significant deck repair and need a reliable, all-in-one spindle solution, this assembly will simplify the job. What people say. Perfect fit. Wasn't sure if it would fit my Toro Timecutter My Ride 54-inch. Model number 77503. Other reviews said fit this Toro or that, and the seller specified particular models. But not mine, but it is a perfect fit. Fit and finish and quality for the dollar was spot on. Item came very quick. Fits great. No problems. Number 1. 810 Deck Rebuild Kit for Toro Exmark 42-inch mowers. This comprehensive kit is designed to rebuild the deck of your 42-inch Toro or Exmark mower. It includes all the essential parts you need for a full restoration. The kit features durable blades, compatible with OEM part numbers Exmark 110-6568-03 and Toro 110-6568-03. Ensure optimal cutting performance with these replacements. Included are spindles that match OEM specifications for Exmark and Toro mowers. These are compatible with part numbers 139, 3214, 117, 7439, 121, 0751, and 117, 7267. A robust belt is part of the kit, designed to fit Toro mowers with OEM part number 119, 8819. Keep your mower running smoothly with this essential component. The kit also contains idlers compatible with Exmark and Toro models, matching OEM part numbers 106, 2175 and 132, 9420. These ensure proper tension and operation of your mower's deck system. This rebuild kit is compatible with various Exmark Quest and Toro Timecutter models. Please check the specific model numbers and serial number ranges for a perfect fit. What we like. This deck rebuild kit provides an all-in-one solution, covering essential components like the blade, spindle, belt, and idler. It's designed for wide compatibility with popular Toro and Exmark models. If you're looking to overhaul your mower's deck and want a convenient package that includes all the critical parts, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect replacement for my Toro Timecutter 4235 deck. Had one of the spindles fail and this kit was a direct replacement. Went together easier than expected. It came with everything I needed to do a complete hardware replacement rebuild on our Toro Timecutter zero-turn mower. Especially nice to have the new bolts come with it. Made the project go much faster not having to chase down extra parts. Product fit like OEM parts. Mower runs great now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.